Gwaan, girl. Yeah. Trilldiverse about to ask you some questions about love. You ready? Me ask you a question about love, sweetheart. You feel me? Or you just a pretend? I play it smart. You love me for real? Or you just a flirt? Your gunshot loud or you a whisper like a hurt? 22 questions, girl, about love we share. You a give me answers or you a leave me care. One, you believe in love at first sight or you need time. Two, you think love is a game or a serious crime. Three, you love me for who me are or my money bright. Four, you stay with me in the hard times or you take flight. Girl, you want me everything, me and yours. You give me answers, me a gonna be your trust. Five, you think love is sweet or you find it bitter. Six, you like me style or you want a new glitter. Seven, you love me laugh or you love my vibe. Eat your steak or you want or you steak or you oblige. Nine, you trust me with your heart or you keep it locked tight. 10, you see a future or you see a fight. 11, you love my flaws or you love my face. 12, you like me when me real or when me in a fake place. 13, you think love is work or you think it's a game. 14, you love me for me or you love what me bring. 15, you feel me energy or you just hear me sing. 16, you want me all to yourself or you share me with the ring. 17, you love my best friend or you jealous of she. 18, you like my passion or you say me not ready. 19, you see love like a blessing or a curse. 20, you gonna love me when me up and when me worse. 21, you love my soul or you love my body. 22, I gonna be my queen or you are gonna be my lady. Gonna be my lady. Gonna be my lady. Yeah. 22 questions, girl, but love we share. You a give me answers, or you a leave me care. 22 questions, girl, but love we share. You a give me answers, or you a leave me care. Trilldiverse. Ask your girl you done. You give me answers, so you want a new song.